Let's start now. Hello everyone, hi. Welcome to Journal Treasures. My name is Galit. And I got a few DMs on my Instagram asking how do I find time to junk journal. And I thought, why not start a very small series about how to just make time for your junk journaling or for your art. And we only need 10 minutes. And I'm using a timer for 10 minutes. That will be right here. And this journal I've made with you from a spaghetti box. So I will link it down below for you if you want to see. And thank you so much, everyone who DM'd me and asked questions. You can put them in the comments below. You can DM me on the Instagram. And I just did a test run to see how it goes. And it went pretty well. I had a call in the middle, so I had to take it, but it was pretty well. And I'm going to do one with you as well. Let us start. I'm just randomly picking pages, I don't know, and yeah, let's start with this one. I'm just putting this and just hitting start immediately. And I have my scrap box here. I'm just gonna pull some elements that I want to use, and we'll see how it goes. I really love this one. Oh, I love this ticket so much. I'm so happy that I made that. It's just so beautiful. Oh, and I have this little postcard. Oh, I love that. This one also. Oh, I love that one as well. And this one. And for now, that's enough. I already wasted 1 minute. So I'm just gonna cut this. And I love this one as well. It is so grungy. I think I'm just gonna cut this a bit because it's not fitting. Yeah, but yeah, I love that. But first, yeah, I think I'm gonna use that. So I'll just cut that. Yeah. Okay, I'm just removing that because it's annoying me. I'm sorry for the noise. It's just unbelievably noisy here at the moment. I will try to edit it as much as I can. And now I'm just putting, just to keep that at bay. Something like that. And now we can use our something like that as well. I love this one, and I think I will use double-sided tape for this. So now usually it takes me time to think about what I want and how I want. And the reason I really wanted to do this challenge, also to show you that you can have only 5 to 10 minutes even, and just collage and just do your art. Love that. But also I really wanted to just, I don't know how to say that, but to, oh, I love this one. This is so beautiful. Love that. But I really wanted to show myself, just try not to think, just do. And for me it's really hard. Really hard. Because I'm usually putting lots and lots of thoughts on my collages and on my junk journaling. Oh, I have this, which is a beginning of a tag. And I have this image. Love that. Love that. And I really want to put it right here. So I will make a hole. This. Let's go. And I will cut this. Okay, so we can move. And I have, wait, I saw it before. Yes, I have this cute little postcard here. And I really wanted to put it here because I want some journaling area, but also and where is the, I really want to find some sentiment. And I love that. It says fierce here. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe here? Okay. It says fierce and I love that. It's important to be fierce in this life. And I'm just adding it here. And I need to, oh, we have more time, good. Okay. I will try not to edit this much, but I think I'm only gonna edit if there is too much noise or stuff like that, not in the, of that. Just trying to find some sentiment that will work here. No. It's cute, but no. Oh, what's that? No. Oh, I love that. Memories. So cute. But first, I'm gonna glue this one. come on, get out of there. Okay. I'm gonna put it like that. Okay, and I'm gonna glue the memories. Oops, here. Okay. I'm still searching for something, and we'll see if I can find it. Ooh, I love that one. Let's glue that as well. We have the time, so we don't have much time, but we have just texture bit. And I'm gonna add quickly a butterfly. I'm gonna put that here. And I'm gonna add this here. And here as well. And that's it. We're out of time. And how do I close that? Dismiss. Okay. We are done. I made a total mess, but we are done. We made a cute collage, and we have some room to write here if you want. You can unplug this. Unplug this. You can undo this. You can just undo this and write behind that. But it turned out so cute. I love that. I love the texture and everything. I love the wrinkles, and it is so cute. But I'm just gonna write something here. Yeah. And I just wrote, I can't really tell because I just ripped the page a bit, but it says letting go. And this has already been a hectic year, a hectic month, a very sad month, but we are now moving as well. So letting go of things and letting go of this new space that I've built for myself. So yeah, as you can see, you can make very cute collages with only 10 minutes or less. And I mostly stumbled upon searching for elements because there is a total mess here. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this kind of video, and please share your requests and your questions as much as you want in the comments below, and you can DM me on the Instagram as well. I am there almost all day when I'm not filming or editing. So I will see you there, and I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Mwah.